I'm Dr. Runel Nel, the Executive Director of Sea Turtle Conservation at SHAMS. SHAMS is an organization that was recently established through a royal decree to protect both coral reefs as well as sea turtles in the Red Sea coast, particularly in Saudi Arabia. One of our jobs is to survey the entire coast of Saudi Arabia and look for sea turtle nesting. And one such discovery recently led to us finding one location where we find both green turtles and hawksbill sea turtles, which are critically endangered in extremely high densities together in one location. And because of this extremely important find, we have been tasked from the ministry to establish a management plan, a sea turtle sanctuary, so to speak, where we can protect both the nesting beaches as well as this inter-nesting habitat, so where they rest in between different nesting events. So we will protect these sea turtles and their habitats through a management plan, so that we can both safeguard sea turtles for the future while we are also enhancing tourism and as well as livelihoods of people, and so reach the goals of 2030 vision. Our mission at SHAMS is to safeguard these iconic species and their habitats, to be their voice and protect them through their journey.